Now, the High Court has drawn a clear line on what the Small Claims Court can and cannot handle. In a key ruling today, the court said personal injury cases do not belong to the court. Our reporter now breaks down the decision and its impact.
A three-judge bench of the High Court ruled that although Small Claims Court is mandated to hear contractual dispute, monetary claims and certain minor torts, personal injury matters including those arising from motor vehicle accidents are outside its jurisdiction.
That claims for personal injuries arising out of road traffic accident are excluded from Section 12, subsection 1D of the Small Claims Court Act. Accordingly, the Small Claims Court has no jurisdiction to entertain such claims forthwith. 2.
The court upheld most of the small claims rules, but invalidated one of being unconstitutional.
It is therefore unconstitutional and ultra-vires Sections 37, 39, and 40 of the Act as read together with Article 94, sub-Article 6 of the Constitution. E. The claim for damages in petition number E010 of 2024 is hereby declined. In terms of costs, we declare that this being a public interest litigation, parties shall bear own costs. That is the judgment of the court.
It further directed all the personal injury cases currently before the Small Claims Court be transferred to Magistrate Court with proper jurisdiction, with each party ordered to bear its own costs and no damages awarded. The decision settles ongoing uncertainty over court's mandate. DJ Brownskin has been acquitted of charges aiding his wife's suicide at the Nairobi Chief Magistrate Court. The case arose from the death of his wife, Sharon Jerry, in July 2022 at their Nairobi home, with prosecutors alleging that DJ played a role in her death. However, in a ruling delivered today, Principal Magistrate Caroline Mogo found that the prosecution had failed to provide sufficient evidence to prove the charge, leading to Brownskin's acquittal.
I therefore find that a prima facie case has not been established against the accused person, and I proceed to acquit the accused person under Section 210 of the KBC on all the counts.
Elsewhere, murder suspect Nicholas Julius Macharia appeared before the High Court in Nyeri, where he changed his plea in the case involving the killing of 7-year-old Tamara Blessings Kabura in Witemere slum, Nyeri County.
It's only to inform you that the murder carries a death penalty in a kifungo ya kifo, but ndio sheria inasema na kuna wakili alikueleza. So kila kitu sasa ndio nataka kusomea mashtaka. So the substance, umeelewa? Come.
The court heard that Macharia had earlier pleaded guilty to the murder of the minor, but later entered not guilty plea, promoting the case to proceed to trial. The matter is now scheduled for February 9th, 2026, for the reading of facts and submission of sentencing arguments. Letua Debra for Prime Edition.
Nimeandika kwamba umeelewa hiyo maneno nilikueleza. Wewe ndio Nicholas Julius Macharia.